to mustoinves in Cambodia, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can open or register a company in Cambodia and what are the taxes. This is a very important video if you want to come to Cambodia, invest, open a company, and this is one of the services that we provide. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to mustoinves in Cambodia, hit the notification button, yes, contact us if you need any legal service in Cambodia. And let's get started. So yes, if you want to register a company in Cambodia, you have to come here physically. Yes, you cannot do it online. You have to come, show up, and visit a reputable company that can assist you in business registration, a law firm. Yes, this is the best thing you can do because you need to have the right guidance. And yes, opening a company is quite easy in Cambodia. The main requirement for you is to come here physically because you have to register in the tax department, and the taxation pattern is valid for 1 year, so every year you have to renew it. This is something that you need to be aware of. So yes, you do come here physically, and usually we have a 3 to 4 weeks process. Some companies take longer to be open, but yes, usually it takes 3 to 4 weeks. The certificate of incorporation usually comes out after 3 weeks. Okay, what kind of companies you can register and what are the estimated costs? For a sole proprietorship company, an LLC, it costs about $1,000. This is a company, there is only one shareholder, so only one single individual that runs the company. You cannot hire staff. But if you're a professional and you don't plan in hiring staff, I think this is a good company that you can form. Then the next is medium enterprise or private limited company. This is the most popular option because you can hire staff, you can have multiple partners and multiple shareholders. This is the most popular option, and the fees are about $2,000 to form a medium enterprise company or private limited company. And then we have the large corporation. This is if you want to run a big company with over 20 staff, and this more than $2,500 if you want to register. But yes, it is important to note that fortunately in Cambodia, foreigners and local people, Cambodians, they pay the same taxes. There is no higher fee for foreigners, and also foreigners can run a company under their own name. Myself, I run a company under my own name. Even as a foreigner, you can own the company 100% under your name, even if you are a foreigner. So this is the good thing to know. Another thing to know is that you have to pay taxes. Obviously, everyone is concerned about taxes. In Cambodia, there is a service tax of 15%. Capital gains taxes are of 20%, but can be of 12%, 1% every month if you don't have profits. And also we have a VAT tax which is of 10%. So yes, overall there are taxes, but there are ways, loopholes that you can use if you hire a professional accountant, a good law firm, or a good tax filing, bookkeeping firm. Then everything will be done easily. Don't do it yourself. It's a headache, a lot of rules, a lot of things that you better not handle by yourself to avoid paying penalties. Just hire an accountant or a legal firm to do it, an agency. This is the best way. But yes, this is something that we also provide. If you need bookkeeping, tax filing, we have a professional team to assist you at a very reasonable price. Then hiring staff, yes, you have to have local Cambodian staff. Another requirement is for you to have an office. You cannot register a company if you don't have an office. So you can rent an office, or you can buy property and then use it as your company's office. You cannot make your house as an office unless you do it in a separate room. This is another thing that you should know. You can also make a virtual office. This is another option, legal in Cambodia. So yes, pretty much you have to pay taxes every month, every 3 months, and at the end of the year. This is how the tax system works in Cambodia. There are no taxes on crypto, no taxes on crypto profits, also no taxes on foreign earned income. So if you have income coming from another country, you're a pensioner, you don't pay any taxes, 0% taxes. It's not like Thailand where there is a remittance tax of 30%. In Cambodia, 0%. This is something that you should know. So yes, pretty much this is it. Comment below if you have any questions about Cambodia, how to open a company, tax filing, bookkeeping. We also provide HR service if you want to hire professional staff or low-skilled workers. We can also assist you in that. We have a team. We are doing everything under the Cambodian law. You can contact us if you need this kind of service. Check out our official website in the description below, our Facebook web page and Instagram page. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.